Hello guys, my name is Bappy Hamed and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to make an amazing announcement for you. So guys, I'm coming up with a live MLOps master batch in our platform Euron. So this course is going to start from 17th December 2024 and the class timing would be Saturday and Sunday 11 am IST to 1 pm IST. And guys, it's like very affordable course. You can see only $24. Okay. This is going to be super affordable course, guys. If you see the course duration, it would be 4 to 5 months. So in 4 months, actually, we try to cover all the topic actually we have mentioned in our curriculum. So guys, if you see the curriculum of this particular course, we have added actually almost all the topics you need to know about the MLOps. Because if you see currently, MLOps actually it is crucial for all the industries. Okay, it's not like that you are only developing the machine learning model and you are like doing the deployment and all, right? It's not like that. Okay, MLOps is all about productionize your entire actually ML pipeline. Okay, for this you need to use different tools. So if you ask me what is MLOps, I will tell MLOps is a tool. Okay, it's just a operation we usually perform, okay, on top of our machine learning. So I think you saw in my YouTube channel also I started community series of this MLOps. So there I'm already giving you the idea about the MLOps. Okay, now if you want to let's say understand in detail each and every component, so this course is going to help you a lot because this is going to be live course, so you can interact me here. Okay, and we have also taken care about the affordability. That means this course is like very affordable. Okay, only $24. So this is going to be your best investment. Okay, what I believe. So please try to check, okay, from your end. And you can see the entire curriculum, guys. If I expand all the curriculum, you can see we'll be starting from the introduction part of the MLOps. We'll see what is MLOps, okay, history of MLOps, why it is required. Then we'll be also learning the Linux fundamentals for the MLOps, because whenever you will be working in the production environment, so there you have to work with the Linux operating system. Okay, because all the cloud provider, whatever, let's say virtual machine they will be giving, you have to use the Linux operating system there. And for this you have to like learn the bash scripting and all, Linux command and all. Okay, so everything we'll try to cover. Then we'll also master like Git and GitHub, because whenever let's say we are working in a team, you have to also manage the code. Okay, and to manage the code you have to know like how to use the Git and GitHub properly. Then we'll be starting with the data version controlling, that means DVC. So we'll be using DVC for the, let's say, pipeline tracking. So we'll be learning what is pipeline and how to track the pipeline and all. Then we'll be also learning different cloud platform for the MLOps, like we'll be learning AWS, okay, then Google Cloud, okay, platform. So these are the cloud platform we'll also try to see. Then we'll be starting with very important topic, okay, inside MLOps called MLFlow, okay, for the experiment tracking, because inside machine learning, you know, we just do different experiment, okay, and to track this experiment, actually we can use one amazing tool called MLFlow. So we'll try to see the MLFlow in a different server. We'll see the DAGSA, we'll see the AWS, okay, everything we'll try to see. Then we'll be also learning the containerization technique, like we'll be learning about Docker. Then we'll be also learning about the Kubernetes. Okay, so these are the things I'll try to cover. Then I will start with like cloud MLOps platform like AWS SageMaker. So inside AWS SageMaker, we'll try to build the end-to-end pipeline. Okay, then BentoML will be learning for the model deployment and model serving. Then Grafana will be also learning for the monitoring our application. Then continuous integration and continuous delivery. Inside that we'll be learning like GitHub Action, Jenkins, CircleCI. Okay, so these are some very popular tool. Okay, we'll also try to cover. Then once all the, let's say, topic is done, we'll also start with some end-to-end implementation, whether it's a machine learning project, deep learning project, okay, NLP project. I'll try to show you the entire implementation. And the basic requirement, I'm expecting you are familiar with Python programming and basics of machine learning. Okay, so yes guys, this is going to be one amazing course and I'll be the instructor. Okay, so I think you already saw my development over my YouTube channel or different courses. Okay, so I believe guys you will be enjoying this particular course a lot. So please try to check, link would be given in the description. From there you can enroll. Okay, and also try to share with your friends and family so that they can also get to know these kinds of courses coming. Apart from that, if you're taking the Euron Plus subscription, guys, so you can access all the courses actually we have inside our Euron platform, and all the upcoming courses actually you can also access. Okay, 1 year you can access, and only 2,999 actually the INR. Okay, so if you just pay that much amount of money, so you can access everything from the Euron platform. Got it? So yes guys, this is all from my side. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time.